Did you know that both Facebook and TikTok actually have a public record displaying the ads that are being run by every single advertiser on their platform? This is an amazing tool that you can use to spy on any single person, including your competitors, at any point in time. It is all free and publicly available to any single person that's using those platforms. So we can use this for a myriad of things. If you are running ads, you're able to use these tools to spy on what your competitors are currently using for their advertisements. You can see how many ads they're running. You can see the message that they're using. You can also do market research on how are they positioning things to the market. What are your top competitors using to generate leads? Are they using a webinar? Are they using a lead magnet? Are they selling a course? Are they selling a book? This is an amazing tool that you're able to use for market research, competitor research, and effectively to spy on your competition. Also, you're able to see on Facebook when those ads were launched. So you know if someone's been running an ad for a very long time and they are a large business, odds are that ad is performing quite well. And also, you know if your competitors spend a lot of money on ads because of the size of their company, the ads they're using and running, they may be testing a lot of things, but look to see for trends and look to see things that have been running for a long time to get little signals and insights into the potential performance of them. Keep in mind, on TikTok, you can actually go and it'll show you all of the trending ads that are running, all of the trending videos that are running. So these tools are amazing to try and do market research to optimize not only your ads, but also your organic social media content. That's it for today. Happy marketing.